welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana and you can call me Stacks, and today I am going to start my lock journey. So it is what is today? Today's Thursday, September the 23rd.
September the 23rd. September the 23rd.
I'm tripping. It's Thursday, February the 21st. Say goodbye to the ponytail. I mean, it wasn't really featured that much on the channel. You guys didn't really get to know it that well, but it's okay. You hear the baby in the background. Drop him a nice little comment. Tell him hi. Follow him on his Instagram. But back to what I'm talking about. I decided to go ahead and lock my hair because, one, I'm tender-headed. Two, there are certain parts of my hair that I really don't comb that often, and they already have like little dreads in them. Like, this is a whole lock right here. It's already there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on some of them. I did the front, but I might redo these to like smaller pieces because they're kind of big, and I want enough in my head. I don't want to walk around with like 12 locks, 30 locks. I want like 60, maybe 65, 70. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I have two sections parted off. Well, I have this section parted off in the back. This one's probably gonna have to get a little smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, and once baby gets here, we will finish because I can't see the back of my head in order to part it. I'm really tender-headed, so doing my hair every day was really, ouch, really annoying. I love my baby's locks. So gonna join her on her journey. She had hers since November, and I'm gonna have an update video on her hair coming pretty soon because why not? But you get the gist of how I'm twisting, same way I did in my most recent, well, not my most recent video, but my video where I retwisted her hair and I showed you how to do starter locks and how to retwist. It's all the same process. I'm starting mine exactly how I started hers, with 2-strand twist, but we have different hair textures, so I'll keep you guys updated on how my journey goes along with her journey. And I'm getting ready for work, kind of, sort of, but I'm just gonna talk about my locks for this video so I can hurry up and get this video out for you guys because it's been about a week and I haven't uploaded. So I have 74 locks in my head, believe it or not. There's 74 of these guys. I'll give you a back view so you can get more acquainted. And I have an undercut. So if I didn't have an undercut, I'm pretty sure I have about 30, not 30, maybe like 15, 20 more in my head. So this is just what I have right now. This is what they look like. They've been out for a week. I did them on the 21st. Today is the 27th, so it's been 7 days so far. Still adjusting to wearing my hair out regularly because the only time I wear my hair out normally is if I'm taking a break from my weaves, but I'm trying to wean myself off my weaves, so yeah. But this is what they look like. They have definitely shrunken because when I first twisted them, I mean, well, if I pull them, they come down here, but you see that? So I'm ready for them to get drastically longer, but I know I can't rush this process, so I'm just gonna let it do what it does. And if, worst case scenario, if I don't like how this turns out, I'm not gonna burn my scalp off and try to uncomb them because like I said, I don't like combing my hair. It hurts. I'll just cut it all off and go from there, even though my head is kind of big, but whatever. This is just what's going on. Leave me a comment down below telling me if you guys like this or not. Even if you don't, that's your opinion. So feel free to have it. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. If you're starting your lock journey or debating on starting your lock journey, let me know down below. If you have already started, let me know what day you started, how many locks you had. Let me know your favorite thing about having locks and your least favorite thing about having locks down below in the comments, so we guys can chat. So we all can chat and get to know each other a little bit better. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I do a lot of talking on there, so you can keep up with me even when I'm not posting on here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.